Looking for the best kitchen gadgets to upgrade your cooking experience? These must-have Amazon kitchen finds will make meal prep effortless. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for all the products. Dual basket air fryer. This air fryer takes cooking to the next level with 2 separate baskets, allowing you to cook different foods simultaneously. With digital touch controls, customizable cooking modes, and rapid air technology, you get crispy, oil-free meals in minutes. Say goodbye to long cooking times and hello to faster, healthier meals. Its spacious capacity makes it perfect for family-sized portions. Upgrade your kitchen with this game-changing air fryer. Mini rice cooker. No more overcooked or undercooked rice. This smart rice cooker ensures perfectly fluffy rice every time with just the push of a button. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or office use. The non-stick inner pot makes cleaning a breeze, and its automatic keep warm function keeps your rice fresh for hours. Simplify your meal prep with this must-have gadget. Smart heated coffee mug. Tired of cold coffee? This temperature-controlled mug keeps your drink at the perfect warmth for hours. The sleek design is paired with a wireless charging base, making it both stylish and practical. Whether you're working from home or on the go, enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. It's the perfect gift for coffee lovers and an essential for every workspace. Never sip on lukewarm coffee again. Rapid egg cooker. Say goodbye to messy egg boiling. This electric egg cooker can boil, poach, or steam up to 6 eggs in just minutes. With a built-in timer and auto shutoff, you get perfectly cooked eggs every time without guesswork. The compact design saves space while delivering big results. Whether you like your eggs soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this gadget makes breakfast effortless. Four-slice toaster toast bread, bagels, and waffles with precision. This high-tech toaster features wide slots for thick slices and customizable browning settings for the perfect crisp. With dual independent controls, you can prepare different toast levels at the same time. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Start your mornings right with this powerful toaster. Non-stick electric skillet. Cook anything from pancakes to stir-fry with this versatile electric skillet. The non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and cleanup, while the adjustable temperature control gives you precise heat settings. Ideal for large meals, this skillet is perfect for families or entertaining guests. Save time, reduce mess, and enjoy delicious meals effortlessly. A must-have for every home chef. French press coffee maker. Brew the richest, most flavorful coffee in just minutes with this elegant French press. Made with high-quality stainless steel and a heat-resistant glass carafe, it delivers a smooth, full-bodied taste. The fine mesh filter prevents coffee grounds from slipping into your cup, ensuring a perfect brew every time. No need for paper filters, just pure coffee flavor. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home. One-touch tea maker. Love tea. This all-in-one teapot and kettle lets you brew loose leaf or bag tea effortlessly. With a one-touch control system, you can steep your tea at the perfect temperature for maximum flavor. The durable glass design is both stylish and functional. Whether you prefer green, black, or herbal tea, this gadget ensures a perfect cup every time. Elevate your tea game with this must-have kitchen tool. Onion soup bowls. Serve your favorite soups in style with these elegant ceramic bowls. Designed with convenient handles and a heat-retaining build, they keep your soup hot while adding a touch of sophistication to your table. Perfect for French onion soup, chili, or stews, these bowls are both microwave and oven safe. Durable, stylish, and versatile, ideal for any kitchen. Impress your guests with these premium bowls. Electric food chopper chop, dice, and puree with ease. This powerful food processor cuts prep time in half with its ultra-sharp blades and one-touch operation. From vegetables to nuts, it handles everything in seconds. Its compact size makes storage simple, while the dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleaning. Perfect for meal prepping, sauces, and dips. Save time and effort with this kitchen essential. Adjustable coffee grinder. Freshly ground coffee makes all the difference, and this adjustable grinder gives you full control over your grind size. Whether you need coarse grounds for French press or fine grounds for espresso, this grinder does it all. The sleek and compact design fits easily on any counter. Enjoy the freshest coffee at home with this must-have gadget. Say goodbye to pre-ground coffee and hello to rich aroma and taste. Insulated electric kettle boil water faster and safer with this double wall insulated kettle. It keeps water hot longer while staying cool to the touch. The automatic shut-off and boil dry protection ensure safety and convenience. Ideal for tea, coffee, and instant meals, it's a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Get the perfect boil every time with this high-performance kettle. Potato ricer. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes. This heavy-duty ricer creates smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes with minimal effort. Also great for making baby food, gnocchi, or purees. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and the stainless steel construction guarantees durability. Make restaurant-quality mashed potatoes at home effortlessly. Your side dishes will never be the same. Personal smoothie blender. Blend delicious smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks in seconds with this compact blender. With a powerful motor and sharp blades, it effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and veggies. The grab-and-go bottle makes it perfect for busy mornings. Whether at home or the gym, enjoy fresh, healthy drinks anytime. Upgrade your fitness routine with this must-have blender. Insulated lunch bag. Keep your meals fresh and temperature controlled with this stylish lunch bag. Designed with multiple compartments and a spacious 23-liter capacity, it's perfect for work, school, or picnics. The leak-proof and waterproof design ensures durability, while the sleek style makes it a great everyday carry. Pack meals in style and enjoy fresh food anywhere. These kitchen gadgets are must-haves for every home. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing finds. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite products now.